Good morning, friends. Today I am going to solve problems on modified Euler's method, students. Our students, modify Euler's method, which is very important for external examination students. Let us see the problem. Using modified Euler's method, find y at 0.2 and y at 0.4. Given y1 is equal to y plus e power x, y at 0 is equal to 0, y at 0 is equal to 0. Now see, students, this problem have exponential function, not algebraic function, students. So that is why I choose this problem. Okay, students, right. Solution given y dash that is equal to y plus e power x. Now let, what is f of x by, students? Y plus e power x, y plus e power x. Now what is given condition, students? Y at 0 is equal to 0, that means y at x naught that is equal to y naught. That implies, what is x naught value? 0. What is y naught value? Also 0. Y naught value also 0. Now what is h, students, here? What is h? That is equal to x minus x naught. What is x, students, here? 0.2. 0.2 minus x naught value is 0. So 0.2. Now what is x1, students, here? X naught plus h. What is x naught? 0 plus h value is 0.2. So we get here 0.2 x1 value. So modified Euler's method, what is formula, students? y1 power n plus 1 that is equal to y naught plus h by 2 into f of x naught y naught plus f of x1 y1 power n, bracket close. Here n is equal, students, 0, 1, 2 and so on. 0, 1, 2 and so on. Now I want to take n is equal to 0, students. N is equal to 0. So we get here y1 power 1 that is equal to y naught plus h by 2 f of x naught y naught plus f of x1 y1 power 0, students, y1 power 0. So already told you, students, in the concept, you find first y1 power 0. y1 power 0. So what is y1 power 0, students, here? y1 power 0. y naught plus h into f of x naught y naught, students. f of x naught y naught. What is y naught, students? y naught value 0 plus h value 0.2 into f of x naught value, x naught y naught value, students. So 0, 0. So that is equal to 0.2 into y value 0, students. So 0 plus e power 0. So finally we get here 0.2 because e power 0 value is 1. So 1 into 0.2 is 0.2. So substitute here, students. Y naught. What is y naught? 0 plus h value is 0.2 by 2 into f of x naught, f of 0, 0 plus f of x1 value, students. x1 value 0.2, y1 power 0 value 0.2, bracket close. So that is equal to 0.1 divided by 2, students. So 0.1 bracket f of 0, 0, we get 1 because y value 0, e power 0 value is 1 plus f of 0.2, 0.2. So 0.2 plus e power 0.2, bracket close. That is equal to 0.1 plus, into means bracket here 1 plus 0.2 plus shift ln, we get e, students, 0.2, bracket close. That is equal to, we get here 0.2421, 0.2421, students. So I want to take n is equal to 1, students. N is equal to 1. So y1 power 2 that is equal to Same value students, y naught plus h by 2 f of x naught y naught plus f of x1. Where is change students? y1 power 1 students, y1 power 1. So that is equal to, what is y naught value students? 0. So h by 2 values here we have students 0.1 into f of x naught y naught value 1 plus, see students here, f of x1 y1 power dash 1. So f of x1 means 0.2 comma y1 power dash students. So 0.2421 bracket close, that is equal to 0.1 1 plus y students. What is y here? 0.2421 into e power x value is 0.2, so e power 0.2. So that is equal to, already we have students here 0.1 into 1 plus, so this time you write here 0.22421. okay students, into again shift ln, we get e 0.2 bracket close. okay students, that is equal, we get here, once again check here students, 0.1 bracket 1 plus 0.2421, this is plus students, plus, okay, plus shift ln, that means we get e 0.2 bracket close, that is equal to, we get here 0.2464 students, 2464. Write carefully students. See, I forget here plus, write my into students, so do it carefully. Now n is equal to 2 students, n is equal to 2. Now this time students, y1 power 3, that is equal to y naught plus h by 2 f of x naught y naught plus f of, come on tell me students, x1 y1 power 2. Here already find y1 power 2 students, y1 power 2. So this value is again 0.1 1 plus, this time students, what is y students here? Y is 0.2464 students, right? I want to write once again. So f of 0.2 comma 0.2464 bracket close, that is equal to 0.1 into 1 plus y students 0.2464 plus, here we have plus students, e power 0.2 bracket close, that is equal to, you operate students here 0.1 bracket 1 plus 0.2464 plus shift ln, we get e 0.2 bracket close, that is equal to, we get here 0.2468 students, 0.2468. See students, after the decimal place, 3 places are same students. If I done the another approximation, we get 0.2468 students. Let us see. So n is equal to 3 students, n is equal to 3, y1 power 4 students, that is equal to y naught plus h by 2 f of x naught y naught plus f of x1 y1 power 3 bracket close, that is equal to, finally I got here 0.1 1 plus f of 0.2, what is the value students? 0.2468, that is equal to 0.1 1 plus, so y plus students, so y plus, what is y? 0.2468 plus e power 0.2 bracket close, that is equal to 0.1 bracket 1 plus 0.2468 plus shift ln, we get e 0.2 bracket close, that is equal, we get here, see students, two values are same, 0.2468. Let us see the value of y at 0.4. Let us continue students. Now what is f of x by students? Y plus e power x. What is h students? 0.2. What is x1 students? 0.2. What is y1 students? 0.2468. Now what is x2 students? 0.4. That means we are finding here which value students? Y at 0.4 students. We are finding y at 0.4. So again you write modified Euler's formula students. Modified Euler's method. Modified Euler's method. Now previously write students y1 power n plus 1 student. Now this time we are finding y2 students. So y2 power n plus 1, that is equal to y1 plus h by 2 into f of x1 comma y1 plus f of x2 comma y2 power n. Here n is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. What students? N is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. So put n is equal to 0 students. N is equal to 0. We get here y2 power 1. So that is equal to y1 plus h by 2 into f of x1 y1 plus f of x2 y2 power 0 students. Y2 power 0. I already told you students, you first find y2 power 0. Y2 power 0 students. Y2 power 0. So that is equal to, what is formula students? Y1 plus h into f of x1 comma y1. That is equal to y1 students. What is y1? 0.2468 plus h value students 0.2 into f of x1 students. That is x1 0.2. y1 0.2468. So that is equal to 0.2468 plus 0.2 into say students, what is f of x y? Y plus, what is y? 0.2468 plus e power x. What is x? 0.2. So that is equal to 0.2468 plus 0.2 bracket 0.2468 plus shift ln, we get e 0.2 bracket close. That is equal, we get here 0.5404. 0.5404 students. Now come here. What is y1 students? What is y1? 0.2468 plus what is h students? 0.2 divided by 2 into f of x1 0.2, y1 0.2468 bracket close plus f of x2. What is x2 students? 0.4. What students? 0.4. Comma y2 power 0. y2 power 0 value is 0.5404 students. 5404. So that is equal to 0.2468 plus 0.2 divided by 2 students. We get 0.1. So this value is fixed students. I want to find the here students. So f of this students, f of xy. So y is here 0.2468 plus e power 0.2 students plus here students y value is 0.5404 plus e power 0.4 students. 0.4. That is equal to 0.2468 plus 0.1 into, I want to calculate up to here students, because this value is fixed, it will continue. Okay, so 0.2468 plus shift ln, we get e 0.2, that is equal, we get here, this value is always fixed, so 1.4682 plus now rest of the value students. So 0.5404 plus shift ln, we get 0.4 that is equal to, we get 2.0322, bracket close, that is equal to, this value fixed students up to here, right? You calculate at a time this value, students. So 0.2468 plus 0.1 bracket 1.4682 plus 2.0322, bracket close, that is equal, we get here 0.5968. Now n is equal to 1, students. So y2 power 2, that is equal to y1 plus h by 2 f of x1 y1 plus f of x2 y2 power 1, students, this time y2 power n. So that is equal to, what is y1 value, students? 0.2468 plus h value, h by 2 value 0.1 bracket f of x1 y1 value, students, 1.4682 plus f of x2 value, students, x2 value is 0.4 and y2 dash value, students, y2 dash 0.5968 bracket close, that is equal to 0.2468 plus 0.1 into 1.4682 plus, what is y, students, here? Because y plus e power x, so 0.5968 plus e power x, so 0.4. So that is equal to, calculate, students, 0.2468 plus 0.1 bracket 1.4682 plus 0.5968 plus shift ln 0.4, bracket close, that is equal to, we get here 0.6025. So n is equal to 2, students, n is equal to 2, we get here y2 power 3. So that is equal to y1 plus h by 2 f of x1 y1 plus f of x2 y2 power 2, students, y2 power 2. So that is equal to, y1 value is here, students, 0.2468 plus h by 2 value is 0.1 bracket f of x1 y1 value, students, 1.4682 plus, so see, students, we can write directly y2 power 2, students, y2 power 2 value is 0.6025, so y plus, so that means we can write here, students, directly 0.6025 plus e power x2, students, x2 is 0.4, bracket close, that is equal to 0.2468 plus 0.1 bracket 1.4682 plus 0.6025 plus shift ln 0.4, bracket close, that is equal, we get here 0.6031, students. See, students, very nearer here. So I think so next step we can get the value, same value, students. N is equal to 3, we get here y2 power 4, students. So that is equal to y1 plus h by 2 f of x1 y1 plus f of x2 y2 power 3, students, y2 power 3. So that is equal to, y1 value is here, students, 0.2468 plus 0.1 into f of x1 y1 value, students, 1.4682 plus, see, students, y2 power 3 value is 0.6031, so y plus, students, so this can be written as y, so y 0.6031 plus e power 0.4, bracket close, that is equal to, simply change here 0.6031, students, we get here same 0.6031. So two values are same, students, therefore y2 that is equal to 0.6031. Therefore, y1 value, students, what is y1 value? That means y1 means y at 0.2 value, students, that is equal to 0.2468. Now y2, students, y2 means y at 0.4, that is equal to 0.6031. 0.6031. This is the solution of given problem, students. Given problem. Okay, students. In this way, you can check. In this way you can solve the problem easy manner, students. If practice twice and thrice, the problems becomes easy, students. If you have any doubt, any query, please comment in the comment box, students. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.